Griffin's gonna show us how to chip it.
I think he's been defeated.
Probably I can get you an air on it. We'll try.
Griffin did not chip it. Come on. You can do it. You gotta do it.
Maybe two. Yeah, I can't give up on that.
Come on, third time's the charm, Griffin. Griffin, one more time. You gotta make it. You gotta make it. You gotta make it one time.
Alright, put it in front of my stance, put a little height on it, what do you say? Turn the shoulders, baby. Rock.
There we go. Third time's the charm.
All I need is one shot. All I need first.
Seth, get out of here. You're a clown, dude. It's sitting up there somewhere. Here, I'll get it in a second. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah, so you suck, Seth. You suck.
Griffin had his young teacher.
Do the gun.
Is that all we needed?
Oh, Joaquin.
Is that all we needed?
That's it, right?
Yeah, it's everything.
Yeah, right. Do we have a
This is alright. Cause, okay, so what I did is I just made a 6-foot thick concrete floor. That's all I did. So it's 6 foot, it matches up with the stairs. So that's nice.
You have a pencil?
We're gonna have to measure the beams, the columns.
You know what?
Be careful, I wouldn't put my phone there. Is that your phone?
Yeah, well, can you just hit that button at 2 minutes?
Man, what if I'm not knocking that phone down.
It's alright to do.
See, how many phones have you broke?
Dude, you actually.
You guys are.
How do I?
What if I drop it? If I drop it, I'm.
You can set it however you want. You can go to your elevation, make 3 separate levels and rename them, whatever you want to name that one, water heater, main level, upper level. And then set those heights at those elevations. That can be your zero, at the lowest elevation at a zero.
Foundation,
Zero.
first, second, but I'll name the fifth,
Yeah.
bottom level. That gun is stupid.
No, it's not, it's just, you know, if I would have told you guys that before, I was like, why do we gotta do that?
It wouldn't be fun.
Do we ever measure this?
I think you may wish I'm
How far it is from the wall to that one?
Your tummy hurts?
Yeah.
Is it nasty back there, Griffin? Hold on, I gotta get that, man. Yeah, get out of there. 1999?
I don't mess with it anyway.
1999. That's the last time it was inspected. That's incredible. Like, imagine how much stuff has collected since 1999. Let's start making measurements for the. I'm coming.
Okay.
Start taking it all down, Joaquin.
They want to see if they
Y'all ready?
I'm coming.
Ready, boy?
actual laser and laser it out, you know? You guys ready?
Because I was thinking, like, they're not gonna open my
Do it with a
project.
piece of paper and a piece of.
Yeah, I got it ready.
Wait, y'all.
That's 9 West. That's it. That's Mizzen in Maine. He's dripped out. Oh God. Our boys. The poop hallway is what we like.
The poop hallway.
I hate Miss Mercer. I hate Miss Mercer. Yeah.
Mercy?
The old one, he was dope. He was from Gruber.
River.com.
Gruber.
Oh, we gotta do the windows too.
I got it. Let's go get the key.
I think I hear someone in there.
I ain't touching that phone.
Hey, you ain't gotta touch it. Alright, Sammy, measure it from right here, the floor, to the ceiling right there.
Floor to the ceiling?
Floor to the
Well, we
ceiling.
need those, so I can match up there.
Where's the tape measure?
Joaquin, that's that tape measure, and then y'all can use that one.
Well, that one's straighter. That's why we.
Drop it.
That's why. Alright. Well, go ahead. Alright. No, you suck. Think they're old?
I'm just saying roof is thin.
Yeah, I was thinking 10 feet. What y'all got? What did you get?
It's more than 10, I bet it's 12.
That's what I was thinking too.
11 feet in it.
Ooh, I was close.
See, I told Miss Mangos it. I told Miss Mangos it's gonna be 10 or 12.
Less than 6 feet.
So what was it? 11.6?
11, 10.
Base it on
11,
I
10.
think I can touch that. I can touch the rim, but I can't touch that.
Wait, so 11,
Is that how much that?
I think we got.
Windows.
It's gonna, I'll go measure it. That's what I'm gonna say. I'll take the back.
All right.
well, well, it's literally from the floor to the roof, basically. We have to find out.
Just find the width and the height. The whole, yeah. Just find the width. Then we get the. Yeah, that's it. If you notice the brick height matches the window height, so that's where you'll be able to get the height from this wall and add that. That's 12 foot. That's 12 foot. Yeah.
Well, it's 11, 10.
Okay, so 11, 10, so that's. That's right, that's 10. Yeah, that should be 11. It should be 10 matches the floor. Yeah. 10 matches the brick. So 11, 10, 5. What house? 66. Y'all get it? Yeah.
Go ahead.
Mike?
Goofball.